Hello everyone, welcome back. And this is Naveen from UI Brains. In this video, we are going to discuss a Bootstrap horizontal card. Last video we have discussed about a card with a vertical way, and now we'll discuss a card with horizontal. So what is my plan here is I want to display a card in this way. So I will take a bigger card in horizontal. Here, a portion has to occupy here an image, and right side I want to display a content. So if you want to do that, you must go with the grid system concept. So grid system concept is actually simple. It's like one row. In that, I need two columns. Okay, but if you want to mention a column sizes, you can make in Bootstrap the whole row is divided into 12 columns. Okay, so if you want to make this part, this is going to be the four columns, and this is going to be the eight columns. So in the four columns layout, I'll create an image, and the eight column layout, I'm going to create a the text. Okay, so let's have a look how this can be done using horizontal form, horizontal card. So here, let me copy the starter file. I'll paste it. I just change this to 19 underscore bs underscore horizontal card, and let me change this number. Let's take horizontal card, and here let me open this in the browser once. Horizontal card, yes, it's empty. So here I will write horizontal card. Okay, I will write a card class name inside. See, I want to divide it to two columns. So first in one row, two columns. So row means there's a class called dot row. Inside we want to make columns. This is four column layout and this is eight column layout. You can do like dot col minus md minus 4. In the medium screen device, four column layout. It means we'll discuss the grid system in future classes. And next, call md8. So it is a four column layout card. I mean four column width. This is eight column width. So let's check. Nothing has come because it's just the layout. Okay, in the four column, I will display an image. Image img folder slash something green 3.jpg. If I give the image green 3, let's check what happened. See, image has display in a very bigger, its own size. It is not fit as per the column. If you want to fit the image in the column size, you will give an extra class called image fluid. If I give the class called image fluid, it automatically fits how much is the column length. It fits over there. And after that, this right side column, I need to write a text. So here I will write some h3. I'll give the class called card title. Let's say some yummy foods. Yummy foods. Okay, but here it's having some margin top. We'll give. Let me give some margin top 2. Looks good, but slight bigger I want. I mean, let's make some h2. Okay, and I want to write a text over here. So that's a p. Let's say lorem 40 tab. Okay, you got a nice text. And below this text, I want to display a button. So how you display a button over here is you will take a button with the class called btn minus a success. So you will get a success button or else anything. You can take a danger button also. Let's take btn minus danger, and you're gonna write something called read more. Yes, like this. So this is one type of card. If you want to give some more space at the top of this text, you can give some more margin top. Let's take 3. Okay, so now it looks good. Okay, and you want to make multiple cards in like this, you can simply take copy of this card and then paste it. You will get another card, but you want to give the gap between them. You will give margin top 4. Yes, you got a space over here. If you want to change this image, you will write something called some other two. I have an image. Yes, it looks good. There is another image, ME Foods and two buttons. Better I go with some other button. I'll go with BTN minus warning. Yes, it's not looks good. BTN danger only. And this I'm gonna change with BTN minus success. Okay, fine. So this is a concept of horizontal cards, okay, in Bootstrap. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll meet in the next video for another concept of cards. Thank you.